Hey guys, what's up? It's PH's Gaming here. There's a new car. It's called Traxxas Slash 4x4, and it's RC car. It's not gas. With gas to charge it. It's a really awesome car, and I'm gonna let you guys see it. No, it's from upside down. If you wanna order it, it's online. 480. That's how much my friend bought it. It's not actually mine. But if you guys want to see more videos about it, I know it's about gaming, but if you want to see like how it goes and like how fast it is, or you want to see more videos, it goes up to 60 miles an hour right there. And let's go jump. I don't know if you guys want to see more videos about it, just make sure you tell me. First. Ooh. Holy shit, that shit is a monster. Put this here, yeah. Comes with all these stickers, all that shit right there. That shit is awesome, man. Let's stick the car first. Alright, that's the controller right there. Oh my god, this is so soft. Like, you don't know how soft this shit is right now. And this is the speed, how you like set it up right there and right there. And also this car is ready to use, so you don't have to charge it, and you can use it for the app. You can see how speed it goes and all that shit. It's really awesome. Let's open right here. It comes with stickers, so if you want to change the sticker or about another sticker, if something wrong with it or something, you want to send it back, some code you scan and you get the app. Another stickers right there, the menu of the controller, another menu, another book about all cars if you want to change tire, want anything. Let's see inside. If you want to custom it, if you want to put stuff on it, more stuff. I guess, I don't know what that is, but we'll check it out. It's soft. I think that's where you clean it. I don't know. And here, let's open it. Let's see, what is this? Damn, shit. The battery. Tools, so you can open it, fuck the car a little bit or anything. Menus, like you want to change some part from the car, you want to like change stuff around it, you want to play with the car. That's what I mean. Sorry guys. And look at this baby. This baby's new. Look at the tires. Just look at the tires. Fat as hell. Goes fast. And look at this. And it's heavy too. Like, that shit is heavy. Can't mess with it. Let's see how this shit opens. I think you pull this, put this here, so pull this too. The other one, see. Look at this, it's inside, it's all new, and that's the motor, everything's so new. It's heavy and it looks awesome. So if you guys want to see more videos about how it runs on the street and all that, I'll make sure to put you guys more videos. I know it's about gaming and stuff, but I'll do more videos soon about it if you guys want to see it. But make sure you comment if you want to see it, and thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching. Stay safe.